All right, this video is to help you with the newest Field Trip Friday. As always, to find what to do for this week, you go to modules over here on the left. It will also be in announcements, but I haven't written the announcement yet. But you can always find it there too. Then this has the full module. This is a 3-day week, so we've got Mystery Monday, Workshop Wednesday, and Field Trip Friday. I'm going to show you how to do the Field Trip Friday. So this week we're going to Mars. The how-to video that I'm filming right now will be available right here, so that's where you'll click on it to watch it, so you've had to have gotten this far already. Then you click on this link that takes you to this Access Mars. They have sent this cool thing over here, the Mars rover, to take a look at the surface of Mars. So because that has a camera, we're able to look at Mars and discover some really cool things about it. So you click on this center button that says Enter 360. I'm gonna skip the intro, but you can watch it. It's actually pretty cool. I watched it the first time.
Hi, I'm Katie, NASA JPL research scientist on the Curiosity mission. Welcome to Mars.
Okay, so for time's sake, I skipped that intro. It's really only like 30 seconds, so it's well worth watching. It's about the launch of the rover. It took 8 months for it to get all the way to Mars and to land and to do all the things. Okay, so we've got some different options: learn, move, and travel. So read through each of those. It just tells you how to use this website, and then you can click anywhere and it'll take you to the next thing. So then you just use your mouse and you can click on what you want to see. So like if I wanted to see
this photo taken from the Mars
satellite
Reconnaissance
view,
Orbiter shows
you can
all
click
the terrain around you has been created using real data
on any of these things. So then when I want to go somewhere, I want to make this thing drive, I click to where I want it to go. Or you can click, like keep clicking, and then just move your mouse and you can like look around you. So like if I wanted to go this way, right, keep wandering around. Okay, so this icon over here, you'll often see it off in the distance. That's our map. You want to access the map in order to find the different places that I've asked you to find and tell me about. So we're already at the landing site, so you could use any of these icons over here. You click on those and then tell me something that you found interesting about that place. When I want to go to the next one, I click on that link and it takes me to this other place that the rover has discovered. So then I can drive where I want to drive. Again, I click my mouse and hold it, and then I can look around, and then I've got these little guys. So once I've turned my vehicle around, I can
Curiosity
find out
several
information about these things. So I click
sedimentary
on
rocks in this area.
these different things, and that's where you're going to get your information for the facts that you write down for what you thought was most interesting. So if I keep turning, or if I want to drive over here, I can. Okay, and then I spin until I find my map again, and then I would move on to the next one. Okay, so you do that until you've seen all 4 of the different places and you've written down something about each one of them. I hope you enjoy discovering Mars and have fun on the field trip. Okay, miss you guys.